Hey guys, I didn't see you there. Hold on. Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mikey Moto. I'm Mikey, and you guessed it right. We've been riding today. Yeah, hell yeah. So this at the beginning, I just wanted to show off my new helmet, HJC RPHA 11 racing helmet. So this is one of my newest gear which I had, and finally I've managed to maintain, to upgrade, to put in a running state my GSX-R 600, my track bike. And this is actually the topic. So we've been riding for the first time on the track, and I have prepared some footage for you, some overtakes, something from behind the scenes, and I prepared some great angles for you. I've been testing out new positions on GSX-R on the track, so I'm hoping you will enjoy. So I'll show you just a few clips and I'll tell you more. Anyway, guys, so those were first laps on the track. Really excited about it. I didn't really feel comfortable on the bike yet. On those first laps, I was kind of like, it was kind of sketchy from time to time. Didn't really feel the motorcycle, didn't really connect it. But it was a first track day of this year, so it was kind of natural to kind of fell out from the rhythm. And I was really trying to do my best and to go on the ID lines and stuff like that. But I was missing my apexes, I was missing the braking points, and or I was braking really soon. So this is stuff which I have to work on, and I want to get at least on my level from the previous year, from the last year actually. So that was kind of like really big improvement last year. So I was really proud of my training, and this year the motorcycle is a little bit different. It's not the modifications made it a little bit different. So I've changed the brake pads for the different ones. I have bleeded the brake lines, so the brakes feels different for sure. This was one of the major changes which I've done on a motorcycle. So I felt it right away on the straightaway. So I'm kind of feeling a little bit more comfortable on the brakes now. And quick action throttle from Domino. This is kind of like a whole game changer right now. So quick overview of my track bike. So it is on race fairing, which design is by myself. So I spray painted the color scheme, so design is by me. I did the quick action throttle from Domino. There is a new brake lever and clutch lever from M-Style. I have Metzeler Slicks in front and in the rear, and of course I've done like bleeded the brake lines, changed the oil, the filter, check the fuel, stuff like that. So just usual maintenance. but it was torn apart, so there was an overhaul of front forks as well, but that was last year, so felt pretty good. Didn't go great. I wasn't really satisfied with the performance on the first laps, but it got a little bit better and better. So now I'm gonna show you some clips and some overtakes as well, and I'm gonna show you a new perspective, so new angles on the motorcycle. So let me know down in the comments what you think about new views, about new angles on a motorcycle. I will test out a couple of other ideas, but these I'm really liking it, so check this out.
Saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your
hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed as well some of the feedback which was on this ride, and I hope that new angles and ideas on the motorcycle are good as well. So see you on the next one, and big surprise is coming up soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, and see you on the road and see you on the track. Mikey out.